Okay, so I posted a post yesterday and I've seen some comments abantu and I've taken them to consideration, and I really appreciate your views kuma comments lapha sithi uMadlela doesn't need to be trained to be a politician. He doesn't need to be trained to be an MP and all that. So I appreciate that. And let me maybe further explain why I was saying ukuthi uMadlela is probably not a good idea ukuthi aye eParliament. Firstly, party leyo uMadlela that is contesting under ECCC is a directionless opposition party. We can see they don't have a leader. They've been discombobulated by Uchabangu, who is just a mess. It's a mess of a party. And I've said with all these opposition parties, from wherever, we don't know, they come here and they take advantage of our people. Right now, they want to take advantage of Ife Mgamadlela. They want to take advantage of Ife Mgamadlela so that they gain their popularity back in Bulawayo. Otherwise, they don't have anything to stand on in terms of, they don't have leadership, they don't have structures. We don't know where Abu is. Abu Stalos, I think they have left. Even the leader, Abu Chamisa left. So how can Tina Singabantu Wasemathebeleni allow uMadlela to go contest under such a party? Why a contestee, probably a independent party? Because here it looks like he's being used like with Desire Monoxide. We all know Desire Monoxide was umuntu abantu, he was doing poetry and all that, and they took advantage of that. Now they want to take advantage of Ife Mgamadlela. So that's why I was saying it's probably not a good idea if abantu kuyibo nominate uMadlela. It's a problem because you are going to nominate someone probably who's not interested in politics and who is going to be easily bought. He's going to be easily put a parliament. He's going to be easily manipulated, easily strawmanned in parliament. Because the parliament, to be honest, we need someone who's upbeat in terms of law. We need someone who knows exactly about the legislature. I don't know if Madlela knows that. I don't know if Madlela has got people who are going to help him with that. Probably he's going to have them, but I'm not sure he really is a politician. I've never seen him talking about politics. I've never seen his political ideas. He doesn't look like someone who can challenge politically. They are going to eat him alive in parliament. They're not going to listen to him. So the other thing why I'm afraid to parliament is because they are going to make fun out of him since a comedian. They're just going to make fun, and he's not going to make any change in terms of his policy. I don't know if Madlela knows policy making. So that's it. That's the thing. That's why I was so skeptical about him. It doesn't mean we should just allow him to parliament and alive there and he sells out a lot. So we need to consolidate our people. We need to consolidate our opposition. Let us not be excited about this opposition taking chances. I'm not against Madlela being a member of parliament. No, I'm against the process of making him a member of parliament. I'm against this thing of people suggesting that Madlela is a politician. Madlela probably is not interested in leading people, but they want him to lead them. So he can be easily bought to Mtonjalo. He's not a natural leader. He can be easily bought. So I don't know about it. It is what it is. These are my views. These are just my views. We cannot just allow someone who would lead the parliament under this opposition is still alive, the CCC. So I've seen some comments on forward to Sylvester Ncube. I'm not a member of any political party, by the way. So I think that answers every question that you need to know. So everything that you've said about my views, you should know that I'm not a member of any political party. I support every organization that is from Matabeleland, whether it's a political party or whatever. If it's from Matabeleland, I would like to support it. I would like to give it a chance. What are they doing? What do they want to do? And about the MRP, I've said to you, the reason why I support the MRP in terms of Nkuluma publicly, I always favor MRP is because I've seen the MRP doing things that all of you opposition parties have never done. You are not doing things. You are just coercing people to vote for you. Parliament. So, and you say to I'm saying vote. No, I have never said people should not vote. I've never said that. I've talked a lot about consolidating votes. So if I'm saying consolidating votes, that means I'm pro-voting. But I'm saying before we vote, let us have one idea. Singaphongihamba nje sesicathathi ngenxa yamaphathi lawa afikayo singawazi yabona. So it is what it is. I'm still going to explain this any further if people want me to. But in anyway, thank you bantu bakithi. Linanzelele nje mali mthando madlela vote for him, but for me I would think ukuthi maybe mali ngamvotela abe councillor, a ward councillor, that would be much better yabona. So it is